Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. No food here today, we just getting hammered, not hungry. As you can see, I just have 3 simple vodka martini recipes right here. Going from left to right, you can see that sour apple martini, Cosmo in the center, and a dirty olive martini on the right. Just decided to do something that's very simple, very easy for October. I think we're kind of getting into martini and cocktail season again. All of these recipes right here are super easy. They only use about 3 to 4 ingredients max. So let's go ahead and start off with that sour apple martini. We're going to hit it with some vodka. I'm using 3 ounces here because a lot of recipes they'll call for like 2 ounces, and that's definitely not enough to fit in a martini glass. All my bartenders, you know what I'm talking about. Go ahead and hit it with that sour apple liqueur right there. I went in with 1 ounce. And we're gonna hit it with a little simple syrup. Really depends on how sweet you like the cocktail. I'm not using a whole lot, probably only like 1/4 ounce right here. Not a whole lot, really depends on you, like I said. And then go ahead and hit it with just a little bit of lime juice, not too much, because that sour apple liqueur is sour, a little tart, so we don't need too much acidity in there. Go ahead, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Make sure we get every last little drop, and we're just going to go ahead and strain it right into the glass. Beautiful green color, as you can see there. Liking the look of that. And then for our garnish, just go ahead and throw a maraschino cherry in there. Make sure you put the maraschino cherry in after you pour the drink in the glass, because if not, if you do it the opposite way, then your drink's not going to be green the way it should be. It's going to turn red. Rookie mistake there, I've done before. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started on this dirty olive martini. Again, go ahead and hit it with that vodka. Also, in the description box down below, all the specific measurements and ingredients are going to be found there. Going in with that dry vermouth here. Going to use about 1 ounce of it. Once again, guys, very easy recipes right here, using stuff that a lot of people usually have on hand in the house already. Not a lot of ingredients, not a lot of steps, very easy. Anybody can make this. And we just throw it into our shaker. Go ahead and shake it up. As you can see, I'm super happy because I can't wait to drink these after. I mean, who wouldn't be, honestly? And we're just going to go ahead and strain that in there too. Now for our garnish, go ahead and just use some olives here. Same thing, I just had those, you know, whatever it's called, super big, jumbo, whatever. Big olives. Go ahead and throw them in. Little twist on this, you can also use blue cheese stuffed olives or provolone stuffed olives. You know, if that's your type of thing, that's your, you know, flavor preference. Pretty good, adds a nice little twist on it. Now going down to my favorite here, the Cosmo. Not sure if you really peeped this before, guys, but that glass in the center for the Cosmo is a little bit bigger. Like I said, it's my personal favorite, and I'm going to be drinking it after this, so stay tuned because you're about to see me slam this whole martini. Anyway, go ahead and with that triple sec here. I'm not even going to tell you the measurements for this because, like I said, I mean, this is not your average martini glass. It's a little bit bigger. And I'm going to go ahead and throw in some simple syrup just to sweeten it up a little bit. A little bit of lime juice. I usually like to use lemon juice, but of course I always forget something at the grocery store, and I happen to forget lemons this day. So lime juice won't hurt. And just a splash of that cranberry. Go ahead and shake this up here. I got yelled at for that one. Hey, it's my drinks anyway, don't even worry about it. Hey, go ahead and pour that Cosmo right in there. Look at that beautiful color. Right up to the top. Go ahead and throw a little lime wheel on there for a garnish. And like I said, my favorite. Go ahead, about to slam this. Hey, let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite or which one you would like to see me make next and slam next. Whew, I'm telling you, I had a quick buzz after this one, man. I had to relax and let somebody else drink the other ones. Hey, thank y'all for watching again. I'll see y'all next time.